There's no shortage of wellness retreats in India. Places that promise to reset your body, calm your mind, and send you home feeling brand new. But here's the thing, most of them are designed to make you feel better just for a week or two. Sharan Retreats isn't one of them. Sharan runs a 21-day residential health program at Swaswara, an award winning eco resort on Om Beach, Konkan. But what happens inside those 21 days is nothing like a typical retreat. Your retreat starts with a full medical baseline, followed by a series of one-on-one consultations with your doctor. You are put on a whole food plant-based nutrition plan designed specifically to help your body reverse chronic disease. Every meal, every session, every conversation is built around one goal. Not relaxation, not escape, but reversal. Getting your body to a place where it can heal itself. So, who has built this program and why? Dr. Nandita Shah has been a practicing physician for over 4 decades. In 1997, she was diagnosed with an acute autoimmune condition. She chose to heal without hospitalization. That experience changed everything for her. It set her on a path to understanding the relationship between food, lifestyle, and disease at a level most doctors never explore. In 2005, she founded Sharan with the conviction that most chronic diseases can be reversed when given the right conditions. Since then, her work has been recognized at the highest levels. She's the recipient of the Nari Shakti Puraskar presented by the President of India and the International Women's Day Award from the Delhi Commission for Women. Her book, Reversing Diabetes in 21 Days, published by Penguin Random House, became the #1 bestseller on Amazon India. She's conducted seminars across India, the United States, and Europe, and trained hundreds of doctors and nutritionists to carry this work forward. But Sharan has never been about one person. Today, it's a team of doctors, nutritionists, yoga practitioners, and certified facilitators, all working towards the same mission. Over the last 2 decades, Sharan has impacted more than 1 lakh lives across India and overseas. More than 50,000 people have been supported in reversing type 2 diabetes specifically. At our 21-day retreat, participants go through 2 complete rounds of lab tests, one at the start and one at the end. In between, every day is structured around whole food, plant-based nutrition, yoga, medical consultations, cooking classes, and health education. And the results? They speak for themselves. Participants regularly see blood sugar levels normalize, blood pressure drop, and medication reduce or stop entirely. In documented cases, fasting blood sugar has dropped from 265 to 110 in just 10 days. Insulin dosages have come down from 20 units to 4 in 21 days. And blood pressure readings have gone from 180 over 110 to 120 over 80. These aren't promises, these are real outcomes, recorded retreat after retreat for over a decade. This is not a spa retreat where you're pampered for a week. This is not a crash detox built on deprivation and starvation. This is a sustainable, evidence-based health program designed by people who have spent 20 years proving that it works. And what makes this program truly different is what happens right after. You leave with a personalized health plan, the knowledge to sustain what you've started, and follow-up support from Sharan's team for a full year. This isn't something you do once and forget. It's the beginning of a different way of living. If this is the year you take your health back, we'd love to have you.